Drug detox for a drug-free life. As you may all know, all types of drugs available these days have the potential to cause harms and life-threatening consequences. These consequences are all associated with their use, and that a person who is addicted to certain type of drug is more prone to becoming drug dependent, a condition which has long been considered as a disease that kills. Drug addiction is considered throughout the world as one of the most common problems of almost every society. So to prevent people from becoming dependent to drugs, and to allow the society to grow drug-free, the medical field have introduced the so-called drug detoxification process, which basically involves the act of reducing and eliminating a person's dependency to these harmful substances. Drug detox is in the first place a process that seems to be so easy. But the truth of the matter is, it is not and will never be easy. It involves the act of withdrawing from drugs, which is in turn not a comfortable experience for drug dependents. The withdrawal is simply a discontinuation of the drug use, but it can be difficult and dangerous for the person involved, knowing that it has all the physical, emotional, and psychological effects which the person may not be capable of handling. Speaking of consequences and side effects, the drug detoxification process, once applied, can cause varying effects to the person's life. For instance, those who have become dependent to heroin may manifest anxiety, analgesia, euphoria, and often constipation and diarrhea. In a much serious conditions of drug addiction, coma and death may occur as effects of drug detoxification. This is also true among the other types of drug used, but generally the effects of the withdrawal depend largely on the duration of the drug use, as well as on how strong or weak the drug is. Those who have been using drugs for more than a year are more prone to those severe consequences of drug detox. Having said all that, drug detox is then a matter to be considered as careful as possible. To make the detoxification process more humane and danger-free, certain requirements like a caring medical staff, supportive atmosphere, confidentiality, and a selection of the proper detoxification technique and medication must be considered. The good news is that finding all of these important requirements can be done easily these days, with lots of trustworthy and dedicated medical facilities out there offering humane drug detoxification processes. It is worth noting that drug detoxification is important for as long as the addictive chemicals are present in a person's body. There is a strong possibility that the person will crave for more and more addictive substance. This is what will eventually put him to a more serious condition, making the drug detox process even more complicated.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.